See,
So
time
we
it
cut
dipping,
up
time it
our
immersion.
fish, checked out all the organs, and
Right
found
here, right in the little.
lots of
Yummy worms.
lots of worms on them. We found a lot on the liver
Do we dip in there
and the
leave it
small
in there?
intestine organs.
We just dip it in there.
And then put
And
it
throw
So
it there.
next, we're going
No, no,
to
no, this
see
is
if
saline.
they can
This is just
survive
water.
in soy
And then you
sauce,
just dip in there.
whiskey,
See how it
wasabi,
goes.
So
and
we leave it in
saline.
Yeah, just leave it in there. And then
Got to snip
3,
a lot.
13.
We didn't find any on the flesh of the fish,
just leave it.
which probably is a good thing.
Throw the other one in
We're gonna dip them. Okay, now we're going to dip them into the different
I'm not sure.
substances.
I'll put like a minute.
We had
Are
to
we supposed to time it on our
uncoil
phones or?
them first to test the
I'm just
mobility.
timing by the clock.
This one,
Here
ready?
we go.
Before your
This one's dipped at 314. If anyone wants to write that down. That's 314.
I don't know if we were told at the meeting. I
Actually,
kind
no,
of
I-
knew
Oh,
just from
it's
past
still
trips.
moving in the saline.
But yeah.
Now we're gonna put it in the soy sauce. That one
Yeah.
definitely is.
This one's alive.
So we're picking some
This
very
one is
mobile
at
ones
314.
to test if they can still survive. Wait for one to move.
Those are both 314.
314 so far.
Yeah, if that's fine.
I
So
don't
we're
know,
gonna see how long it
I want
takes for
this
them to die or survive.
314.
It's stuck on your glove.
I'm like trying to separate.
Yeah,
that-
they
you
like
have
to
one of
stick
them,
together, so it is difficult to
Okay, this one's very alive.
get a single
Yeah, put that one
one.
on the wasabi.
You find the
Sorry,
very-
buddy, it's about to get real spicy.
Okay, let's see if they can survive wasabi.
And then
Ooh, this
they're still moving.
what proof is this?
Like 120
56 or something?
No, it's 56%.
Yeah.
So
This is some very
Oh, yes, so the
high
proof.
proof whiskey. We're gonna test this. in.
are they still
These
moving
worms
in
are gonna
there?
This one is. Well, these have been in saline, so that one's not gonna die.
So it's going into the whiskey. There we go.
Maybe put another one in there
What's
too,
the
because that
mobile
one
to me?
seems like.
315.
I mean, that one's not even really. Sorry, yeah.
Let's check our other specimen. Looks
This
like
one's
they're
moving.
still moving, especially
And
in the
then
soy
cut
sauce.
off the body, whatever that means.
Oh, it's wiggling in the wasabi a little bit. Smell of soy sauce and whiskey.
The one in soy sauce is thriving.
Yeah, maybe it likes salinity.
Likes-
Salines. Oh, well, look at that moving right there.
The one in saline's not gonna die. 'Cause
Should I wish I had used that one for a different
Oh wow,
one.
you see it.
Just switch it.
Should I switch it?
The one in soy sauce is moving. Put it in like the whiskey.
Yeah.
Ooh, good test. It was very
Oh.
survivable in saline. How's it
guy.
doing in
I feel
whiskey?
bad.
No, we just kill it.
Okay, you can see it
The
right
one in the
there.
oh yeah, the one in the wasabi is still moving.
Same with the one in soy sauce.
Oh, whiskey's uncurling. Oh, now it's curling. Maybe it's dying. We shall see. Ooh, wow.
This guy is
Wiggling.
moving in 112 proof whiskey, and he's still surviving, which is very impressive.
We see
If you dumped
wasabi.
me in 112
Our worm friend is still moving in the whiskey. Seems to
he's wasted.
like a little bit of the
Should we do
that.
saline? Do we say we do that?
I don't know.